The Father and His 4 Sons. In a small village near green fields and tall mango trees, there lived an old farmer and his 4 sons, Tom, John, Jack, and Joseph. The father was kind and hardworking, but his sons had one big problem. They always fought. "Move, that's my tool," Tom would shout. "You never help," John argued back. Jack and Joseph would start blaming each other too. Every day there was noise, anger, and arguing in the house. The father felt sad. "What will happen to them when I'm not here?" he worried. The father's plan. One morning, the father called his sons. "Come here, my boys. I have something to show you." The sons came, still grumbling. The father handed Tom a single stick. "Break it." Snap! Tom broke it easily. He gave another stick to John. Snap! It broke too. Jack and Joseph did the same. All the sticks broke quickly. The boys laughed. "That's easy, father." Then the father brought a bundle of sticks tied together with a rope. "Now break this." Tom tried first. He pulled and pushed, but it didn't break. John tried. No luck. Jack and Joseph tried together. Still nothing. The bundle stayed strong. The boys looked confused. The father smiled gently. "My sons, one stick alone is weak. Anyone can break it. But when the sticks are tied together, they are strong. No one can break them." He looked at them with loving eyes. "You are like these sticks. If you fight and stay apart, life will break you easily. But if you stay united, help each other, and love each other, you will be strong." The boys looked at each other. They felt ashamed. Joseph spoke softly. "We understand, Father." Johnson nodded. "We will not fight anymore." John smiled at Tom. "Brothers?" Tom hugged him. "Brothers." From that day, the house changed. They worked together in the fields. They helped each other carry water. They laughed instead of shouting. The father watched them and felt peace in his heart. Moral of the story: unity is strength. When we stay together, we are stronger than any problem.